Okay, now we'll go to the bamboo forest.
That's their human wagon. I'm not sure how they call it.
Ayan kalesa dito. Wow.
Ayan, souvenir shops pa rin. Ang dami.
So this is it. Path to the bamboo forest. We'll find out. Ayun na. Ayun na. So this is the bamboo forest. We'll enter. Bamboo forest tayo, ayan o. Medyo bamboo forest tayo, ayan o. Galing. Galing yung bamboo forest dito ah.
Ano nga bang significance ng bamboo forest na to? Well, to me, it's a natural habitat. It's a showcase of natural bamboo that grew freely here in Japan, in Kyoto, Japan. So I remember movies, Japanese movies, yung may mga samurai, ang gaganda ng mga eksena nila. Talagang yung mga ninjas lumilipad from one bamboo tree to the other. Ang galing. I just forgot the name of the movie. Pero hindi lang isa yun marami.
Wala. Wow. Millions and millions of bamboos.
Wow. Actually, bamboo lang to. Pero dinadagsa ng mga turista. Kita nyo, daming tao. Left and right. Grabe ha.
Bamboo all around. Ang galing. Okay. Mata mo yan, nagkakimolo sila.
Aba,
Oh,
half
hati na.
body daw ang shot.
Lumipad na yung kalahating katawan. Buo. Oh, kawayan. Galing ah.
Ayan. Date kami dito sa Lawiswis Kawayan.
Kawayan.
Sa Kyoto,
Kawayan.
Japan. Hahaha. Pero yung bamboo nila, different from us. So ito, naka-spread out while here in the Philippines, kumpul-kumpul siya in one place.
Wow. Lahat ng nakikita natin dito, pulos bamboo. Kasi nga bamboo forest no? Yeah. So, this is the bamboo farm in Kyoto. Oh, ikot daw, ikot. Okay, sumashi. Let's go.
Wow. All made of bamboo.
All made of bamboo. Wow. All made of bamboo. So, this is the bamboo forest here at Kyoto, Japan. Yo, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Leon's World SL. Woo! Hoy, video. Eto na naman. Ang sarap ng pagkain dito ah. The best. Inihaw-ihaw.
Well, saka ikot namin, muntik na kami maiwan ng bus. Napakiusapan lang.
Tinay Bridge. Bawal lumingon. Huwag kang lilingon. Hindi ako lumilingon. Yan, pareho na kami lumingon.
Nakarma nga yata kami. Muntik na kami maiwan ng bus. See you on our next videos.